In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find and fly a jumbo jet in GTA 5. So first thing you wanna do is just open the map and go to this location. This is the airport. So make sure you go to this airport, and once you arrive, you wanna look for the jumbo jet. So usually it's in this place. Let me just show you here. I believe should be it should have two engines maybe, or some like, let me check this one out. And I think I found one over there, so let's check this one out. Yeah, this is the one. I believe this is the one. So once you find one, just go and just easily take it. You can fly this one. Let me just show you here. This is the one. So it's pretty easy, as you can see. And yeah, like, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.